Okay, dear Falak, we need to understand. For example, we already tried to understand the what is adjective. We learned that a word, if it modifies a noun or pronoun, that is called adjective. So see the word still, it is modifying the word water, and water is
Water is noun.
noun. So if a word modifies water, I mean a word modifies noun, it is called
Modifying noun. Adjective.
adjective. So it is adjective. So the word here still is basically adjective being used. But in the second sentence, we see here he still lives in that house. So what is the word lives?
Lives is a verb, and
Yes,
still
lives
is
is a verb.
still
So
is
whenever we have a word verb and there is a word which modifies verb, what it is called?
adverb.
Adverb. Yes, this is what we need to understand actually.